Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we're making a simple version of the infamous bacon explosion. So stick around, we have an outstanding show coming up. The storm's passed, and it's going to be a beautiful day. High of 38. Perfect time to get out here and do some camp cooking. So I thought today, why not go ahead and try the infamous bacon explosion. It's a mysterious but playful little dish. You'll love it. And the best part is, it can be cooked easily while you're out in the field. But before we get started, let's go ahead and check out the ingredients and cookware that I have today. For today's cooking experience, we're going to be using the stainless steel 120 ounce bush pot and grill, the 64 ounce bush pot and grill, followed by the 8-inch skillet by the Self-Reliance Outfitters. So far so good, we're looking outstanding. The coals are almost burnt down, and that's exactly what I want. Now, keep in mind one thing. I'm using that large bush pot and the large grill. The large grill is about 5 by 6. So I don't want that bacon explosion to be any larger than this. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take that bacon and lay it out in a weave pattern. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our sausage, place it inside that, maybe some bacon crumbles, maybe some seasoning, and that cheese, roll it up, place it on my grill, put it in that pot. Easy peasy. Now some cheese. Now the trick is, I'm going to fold this on the inside. So you're going to have sausage, cheese, and bacon on the inside. Now we got to roll this thing up. Carefully. Tell you what, that looks outstanding. So just like all my cooking videos, all we gotta do is adjust the heat by adding coals to it to make it hotter, removing coals to make it cooler. So I wanna check that every 5 to 10 minutes, make sure I'm not burning it, rotate that tray if I need to, and if not, sit back, wait about 25, 30 minutes, be good to go. So this last part of the sausage here is not part of the recipe, but I'm not wasting this. So with that, oh man, this tastes good by itself. Can only imagine it covered in that cheese, that's crispy bacon wrapped around that thing. Oh man, these nice real small crunchy parts here. Check this out. Look at that. Crunchy AF. Nice mid-morning snack. Wow, look at that. Outstanding. Dude, 15 minutes in and it's looking like that and smells outstanding. Can't even describe it to you. 15 more minutes, we'll recheck it and go from there. Okay, so it's been 1 hour exactly. Let's go ahead and check that bad boy, and if it's good, we're gonna take it out and get those biscuits going. Get those coals placed around here. Here we go. OMG. This is the best one so far. Oh man. Get that inside that biscuit. Oh, dude. Wow. Bacon, sausage, cheese, biscuit. Mmm. I love it when a plan comes together. Hmm. I'm going to end this off right now and then get back to work. Check it out. That bacon explosion was outstanding. There's several other recipes, but this one was mine. As always, all the gear in my videos can be found on my Amazon influencer page, and this cookware can be found on my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. I'll toss both those links inside my description box. Please do me that favor, hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time. Yes, sir.